the year 1547. Henry has just had a baby boy called Edward. He is on top of the world. Little does he know that Jane, his favourite, most beloved wife, only has a couple years left to live. We shall now go and talk to him. Hello, Frida. I hear you wanted to talk to me. Yes, I want to know exactly how you feel in this moment of time. I feel fantastic. Jane Seymour has given me a beautiful baby boy who will become heir to the throne. I love Jane like I've never loved anyone before. She is perfect. He is perfect. My life is perfect. Tell me, what is going on with the churches? Well, as you know, I am a religious man. As this king, I like to make this country's churches a little bit better. I have made the churches plain so we can use the money elsewhere, and priests can now marry. This is just a few changes I have made to the church. This is all I have needed to know. Thank you. I've got to go now. Goodbye now.